What's going on, guys? This is week 3 of our swarm trap capture. Today is our second hive inspection since the swarm that we caught 3 weeks ago. We're going to be checking in, seeing what they're up to, seeing if they have a few more frames built out with brood, if that queen's been busy. Let's get into the hive and see what we got. We're gonna dive into this hive over here. Week 3. Let's see how they look today. If you remember last week, I was saying how friendly they were. They weren't very aggressive whatsoever, so hopefully that keeps up. Looks like they're in quite a bit of the frames. So we're gonna pull, let's start with this one first. I just like getting the middle one out, getting it out of the way, just so I can clean up some room, or create some room. Alright, what do we got? It's like we got a bunch of pollen in there. Looks like they're already starting to build comb on that frame that, oh, look at that, that we put in there for them. Remember, that's the drone comb that we put in there. They're already building off it, so that's cool. Today I want to make sure we can find the queen. I didn't find her last time, so hopefully this time we'll be able to find her pretty easily. Looks like they're already building honey on that corner there. Got some comb down there. What do we got here? Bunch of nectar they're bringing in, so that's good. Oh, look at all that nectar up there. Alright, put that one back in. So, not only do I want to find the queen today, but I also want to check the way her brood pattern is. That way we know she's going to be an effective queen all season long, or if we have to take it into our own hands. Oh, look at that. That looks like a pretty decent pattern. Basically, as long as the brood stays, you know, pretty evenly throughout the frame, that signifies a pretty healthy queen. If you start getting brood up in the corners and it's real blotchy and kind of all over the place, that queen is not laying well. But looks like this one is. Let's see here. Let's rotate. Alright, I don't think the queen is on that frame. Let's keep moving on. When we pull the frame with the queen on it, normally they get pretty loud. And you'll be able to tell when the queen leaves the hive. They do not like it. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that brood pattern. Nice even brood all the way around. Still looking for the queen. Let's see what we got over here. So these bees are pretty small. leave a comment if you know which style of bees these are, whether Italians, Caucasians. Just let me know. Sorry, little guy. Alright, well, looks like we got another frame of brood, so we'll try that one. Ooh. It is a hot one today. I'm feeling pretty confident. That the queen is on this frame here we're about to pull. Alright, here we go. Whoa, look at that brood pattern. Look at that. She has been busy. Alright. Where is the queen? See if she's on this side.
For us to make it through the night, stormy weather, weary eyes, hope to make it through the night. Before this night is over, I will guide you.
Queen is probably just right out in front of us. Huh. I'm just trying to blow on them so they clear up the crowd so I can see inside. I'm just not seeing the queen anywhere. Well, let's pull another frame. I thought for sure she'd be on that one. There. Hear them all in there? They are buzzing. Maybe the queen's on this side. We'll get over there, but we'll pull this frame just in case. Normally the queen doesn't lay brood on the outside frames. Usually that's where they store their pollen and honey. Oop. These gloves I need to get rid of. Oh yeah, there's some brood there. There's some brood there too. Can't tell if that's an active queen cell or not. We'll pull that off here in a sec. But we'll see if there's a queen.
Still rolling the dice, still hoping to find a future for me. me. You keep blowing me out, I keep holding you in.
Oh, look at that. There's a drone right there. See that? That's good news. That means the colony's doing really well. That they're going to create enough resources and have a drone come out. I think the queen would be right there with all this stuff going on. Well, let's remove that little queen cell deal. Watch out, little guy. Coming in at. It's like they're just building up their honey. I think this is the honey I provided them, so nothing real major going on there. Whew. It's a hot one today. Alright. Let's pull another frame and brood again. We got 1, 2, 3 frames of brood. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Let's go with this one again. Alright, keep your eyes peeled. Let me know if you see her. She is hiding pretty good. So the queen's got to be in there. If you look, I think hopefully it's focusing. You can see the baby larva in there. So she's laying. Just can't seem to find her. Alright guys, well, that was kind of disappointing to not find the queen. It's the second time that we couldn't find her, but we know she's laying. Looks really healthy. The way the brood pattern is, it's not all blotchy, it's nice and full. And alright, so anyways, the other day I had a buddy of mine, he had a dead hive and it was full of honey and comb, but basically the wax moths got to it. Must have been early this spring, and if you've never seen it before, it's kind of gross. It turns the honey, I'll have to find a frame. It turns the honey all gooey and watery like, and it gives off a kind of a really nasty scent.